when I graduated high school, the counselors were really pushing for four-year universities and kind of steering away from the trades. We're seeing the effects of that now, where we need tradespeople badly. And I think it's a result of, that shift from 20 years ago, 30 years ago. And now what's really exciting is we're starting to see schools starting to embrace it and shift back to the trades. Last year, I got very involved in the NextGen Trades Challenge, just helping out as kind of schools were going along.
With us being a distributor, the only way I could really do that is to donate exterior siding for all of the greenhouse growth projects. So that's what we did. I also went around to the local high schools and helped with the install, tips and tricks, points, questions. From the minute I walked in, it was flooded with questions. It was, how do you do this? I even had one girl correct me, I'm gonna do it this way and it makes more sense, and she was right.
It's exciting to be able to support a program like the NextGen Trades Challenge to really make that connection to the real world out of high school. And being able to share with parents especially that you don't need to do a four-year university and incur hundreds of thousands of dollars of debt. You can get into the trades right out of high school and get a really rewarding career.
Oh, you want to be a lawyer? Awesome. Go to a four-year school, get that law degree. That's fantastic. But if you're torn, but you're really good at working with your hands and you have that vision, support it. This NextGen Trades Challenge really provides that spark. If they have a passion for it, this is just gonna bring it out. And give them the option to follow that dream. And that's what NARI as an organization, we have that path set up for you. We can point you in the right direction.
Yeah, so I think the most exciting part about the Trades Challenge this year is having a wider range of projects. Last year it was the first year, it was focused on greenhouses, and the students and the schools did a fantastic job. It was really exciting to see them at the show. This year, we're gonna be having projects anywhere from bag sets and Adirondack chairs to play sets, dog houses, sheds, all that sort of equipment out there. It's gonna be really cool. And I think it's gonna be great for the students because they're gonna get a different look at how to do things and how to use the equipment at their schools different ways and things like that. And they might be building sheds and stuff at their homes, this summer or something. So we're seeing some really great programs being built out at some of the high schools where they're starting to focus on manufacturing and building and things like that, and building some really exciting labs and everything at their schools. And it's really a career in the trades is what you get out of it. So, if you get into it, and I have younger kids that work for me now, and I always tell them, if you get into it and you advance and learn really fast, your pay is going to increase, like right along with your skills as they increase. It's definitely one of those careers where the faster you build your skills and the more proficient you get, you're going to be rewarded very quickly.